Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have the recipe for you of a sweet bread loaf, a bit sweet and a bit salty. Let me show you what it looks like, and it's yummalicious. So that's what it is, with a few pumpkin seeds here, but semi-sweet too. So let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So here we begin. I have 350 grams of sesame seed paste. All I've done is taken sesame seeds in a fast blender, added 1 or 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil in it, and kept on whirring it till it becomes this paste. So use 1 cup of sesame seeds because for this recipe we'll need 350 grams of the paste. You might have some left over, not a problem. Store it and use it for other things. So now I'm just measuring out the 350 grams of sesame seed. I can say butter. You can probably also use almond butter. You can also use peanut butter. Maybe even peanut butter will taste pretty yummy. So I've measured that out, and now I'm putting it into a blender along with some eggs. I've put in 4 eggs. And I'm putting in 1/4 of a cup of a sweetener of your choice. I've used a stevia erythritol blend, a pinch of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to give this all a blend, and you'll see, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. How did I forget that? Now I'll give it a good blend, and can you see, it's become light and fluffy. That's the way it'll happen because of the apple cider and baking soda. Now I've put it into a loaf pan 9x4, and I'm topping it with some pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. This lovely sweet bread, but with the pumpkin seeds, it's just yummalicious. It's going to bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for exactly 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, this is what it turns out like. Absolutely wonderful, warm, and something really new that you're going to enjoy. So do listen to the little doggy and subscribe, and do press the bell. Thanks for watching.